Ugh, your bathroom needs a makeover, but it's not in your budget. Today, I will share with you 6 low-cost refreshers. Step 1. Clean, declutter, organize. Take everything out of the bathroom. Spring is the perfect time to clean, toss, or donate. My cost, $0. Match. Replace your old shower curtain rod with one that matches your faucet and other bathroom accessories. Since my faucet is chrome, I went ahead and invested in a chrome shower curtain rod. This was easy to install. I simply extend it to the wall and twist it until tight. Pattern fun. Choose a patterned fabric shower curtain to jazz up your boring bath. This will add color and low-cost style. My cost, $21. Don't stop there. For a more luxurious look, be sure to iron your shower curtain. I am going to steam my shower curtain so it has that luxurious look. About 5 minutes to steam the shower curtain. If you don't own a steamer, simply iron your shower curtain before putting it up. It will look much more luxurious. Cost of making your shower curtain look more luxurious, $0. Add flowers for a pop of color. My cost, $8. Invest in a bath mat that will add visual interest. I also placed this small mat in front of the vanity. My cost, $9. Boost the cabinet. Add baskets to keep necessities in order. Remove everything from under the sink. Then clean with your favorite all-purpose cleaner. This month I am loving Mistress Meyer's Peony Scent. To achieve this minimal look under the sink, I used a plastic magazine holder that I purchased from Staples, and I filled it with our cleaning supplies, our Clorox wipes, of course my favorite scent for this month. And then I found these cereal holders from Dollar Tree, and I was able to put in the girls' spin brushes as well as their face brushes, their face wash, their toothpaste, so it helped to keep under the sink organized. And I placed their mouthwash in a smaller bottle, and then I will store the excess mouthwash in the linen closet. In the drawer on the bottom, I basically just put in their basic spa needs, their coconut oil, their mud treatment, their pumice stone, their lip scrub, just the basic things that they use every day. Cost, $20. Now it's time to add your finishing touches. I added tea light candles and a candle. I also added air freshener behind the toilet. I added another candle near the sink, and I spruced up my hand washing station by adding a sugar scrub. My cost for this bathroom refresh was $92. I could have easily spent less or more. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.